Why it may be wise to invest in gold over the next 5 years. Gold has long been considered a safe haven investment, especially during times of economic uncertainty. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. As we look ahead, is it still a wise choice for the next 5 years? 1. Roll in a diversified portfolio. Gold helps balance portfolios by acting as a hedge against inflation and economic downturns. It typically performs well when the stock market is unstable. 2. Recent performance. Gold prices have been high in recent years, driven by inflation concerns. Experts predict prices could rise further due to ongoing economic challenges. 3. Central bank influence. Central banks increasing their gold reserves support higher prices. However, if they reduce holdings, gold's value could decline. 4. Inflation hedge. Gold historically protects against inflation. With rising inflation, gold remains attractive, but its performance depends on interest rates. 5. Geopolitical tensions. Gold's safe haven status is strengthened during global crises. Conflicts like those in the Middle East can increase gold demand. 6. Risks of gold investment. Gold doesn't generate income like stocks and can be volatile. It's crucial to avoid over-relying on gold in a portfolio. Gold can be a valuable part of a diversified strategy, offering stability during uncertain times. However, it's important to approach it cautiously, considering potential volatility and external factors. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.